Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy iced tea. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's black, green, or herbal. For a standard pitcher, you'll typically need about 6 to 8 tea bags or 2 to 3 tablespoons of loose leaf tea. Bring 2 cups of water to a rolling boil, then pour it over your tea. Let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. A longer steep time yields a stronger flavor. This initial step is crucial for extracting the full taste. Once your tea has steeped, remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaves. If you prefer sweet tea, now is the time to add your sugar or other sweetener. The hot liquid helps it dissolve completely, preventing a grainy texture. Stir thoroughly until everything is fully incorporated. Next, carefully pour this concentrated tea into a heat-safe pitcher. This forms the base for your refreshing iced tea. To dilute your concentrate, add about 6 cups of cold water to the pitcher. This brings it to the perfect strength for drinking. Give it a good stir to ensure the concentrate and cold water are well mixed. For the best taste, refrigerate your iced tea for at least 2 hours or until it's thoroughly chilled. Serve over ice with a lemon slice or a sprig of mint for an extra touch of freshness. Don't be afraid to get creative with your iced tea. Try adding fresh fruit slices like oranges, peaches, or berries for a natural sweetness and vibrant flavor. A few sprigs of fresh mint or basil can also elevate your drink, offering a refreshing twist. For those who enjoy a bit of fizz, a splash of sparkling water can transform your iced tea into a delightful spritzer. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, as well as other great deals to help you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.